Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will show you how to cancel your free trial on the Jockey site. If you have tried the features and do not want to continue with the paid plan, this guide will help you cancel before any charges happen. Now let's get started. On your Docusign dashboard, we go to Admin. You can find Admin at the top of your page. We need to click that option. Once we are in Admin, we go to Account, and under Account, we select Plan and Billing. In Account, we just need to close the account. We just have to click this Close Account option in the business profile. When you click this, a verification prompt will appear to confirm if you want to cancel or close your account. After you close the account, and your account is now closed. This is how we cancel the Docusign free trial. Be sure to confirm your cancellation and check for a confirmation email so you do not get charged.